How to make your photo warmer and cooler on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here, so click on this. So after select photo, click on this pen icon. So after click on this pen icon, click on edit. So if you want to edit picture, so after click on this icon, so search tint. You will see tint is here. So if you want to make a picture warmer, so you will see warmer picture is ready. So if you want to take a picture cooler, so you will see take cooler picture from here. So after warmer and cooler picture, click on save. So you will see your warmer and cooler picture is here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can make your photo warmer or cooler on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.